I'm currently in Phuket Central Festival shopping mall, and the reason I'm here is because this place has the biggest aquarium in Thailand, at least that's what it says. And I don't know if you know this, but you can get some really insane shots inside this type of aquariums. So let's see how many bangers I can get today. This place looks pretty cool, got a nice mood, but I really hope that there's a tunnel that you can go under, because that's the shot I have in mind. They're actually magnificent anyway. Hey guys! Honestly, it kind of makes me sad to see the animals like this, because yes, it's cute, it's fun, but it's such a tiny cell. These lutras or any other animal here would have probably been better in nature. So I know I'm a tourist, I paid money to get into this thing, but I hope that in the next few years these aquariums will either become better for the animals living in them, or just straight up won't exist. So this reflective surface next to the aquarium, this one, and if I shoot through it, I get a much better image because it's a bit darker and it sort of clears out the rest of the reflections, and it makes the image a bit more moody than just shooting it like this with this, which is kind of cool, but shooting through this is better. So let's see how it goes. I figured out why shooting through this mirror thingy is better than shooting the actual aquarium, and that's because the light bounces back from the aquarium behind me onto the face of whoever I'm shooting. So that's kind of nice. It's a nice trick that I didn't think about, but I did it. It actually looks way better shooting like this, because now I'm in the light as opposed to shooting from the other side. I have some light shining on me and I can't get that when I'm shooting like this. It's a bit darker than the subject over there. So that's kind of cool. That's a nice shot. Yeah, we're pretty much done in the aquarium. To be honest, it was pretty lame, nothing too crazy. If this is Thailand's biggest aquarium, then kinda sucks, not gonna lie. We did manage to get some shots, so that's nice. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, even though it was a bit shorter, probably a bit weirder. But hey, it was still fun. See you in the next one. Bye!